Honest HVAC Installation Repair. Way Cool is a trusted HVAC contractor offering expert HVAC installation in Las Vegas, Nevada. We specialize in high-performance heating and cooling systems for both residential and commercial properties, ensuring lasting comfort and energy efficiency. Whether you're upgrading an outdated system or installing a new one, we customize each HVAC installation in Las Vegas, Nevada to meet your specific needs. With a reputation for integrity and years of industry experience, Honest HVAC Installation Repair. Way Cool is your go-to partner for reliable indoor climate solutions. Contact us today. How to find the best rated HVAC installers in Las Vegas? To find the best rated HVAC installation professionals in Las Vegas, Nevada, look for a contractor known for quality workmanship and dependable service. Honest HVAC Installation Repair. Way Cool is recognized for expert installations, clear communication, and a strong commitment to customer satisfaction. Who is the most affordable HVAC installer? If affordability is a priority, Honest HVAC Installation Repair. Way Cool provides top quality HVAC installation in Las Vegas, Nevada at competitive rates. We offer transparent pricing, energy efficient solutions, and personalized options that fit your comfort needs and budget. What is the service area of the HVAC installer in Las Vegas, Nevada? Honest HVAC Installation Repair. Way Cool proudly provides HVAC installation services throughout Las Vegas and the surrounding areas, including Dyke, Arden, Sunrise Manor, Lovell, East Las Vegas, Spring Valley, Whitney, Paradise, Boulder Junction, Hillegas, Winterwood, Winchester, and Eastland Heights. Where is the HVAC installer located in Las Vegas, Nevada? We are located at 6671 South Las Vegas Boulevard, Building D, Suite A200, Las Vegas, Nevada, 89119. Our phone number is 725-677-6645. Visit our website at www.honesthvac.com/South-Las-Vegas-Paradise-AC-Installation-Repair.